for the Don Bell we all know and love, we first fell in love with them as Bel Mariano and Donnie Pangilinan. With Donnie's effortless leading man charisma and grounded charm and Bel's angelic voice and raw acting depth. When their paths crossed in the series, He's Into Her, history was made. Their undeniable chemistry instantly captured a whole new generation of fans. They immediately took their magic to the screen in Love is Colorblind, painting a beautiful, comforting story of friendship and healing. This solidified them as this generation's top-tier romantic pairing. Belle and Donnie leveled up further in An Inconvenient Love, bringing a grounded, mature nuance to Gen Z romance and proving they could really easily carry the weight of a major big screen release. They soon dominated primetime television in Can't Buy Me Love, delivering heavy dramatic performances week after week that left both fans and casual viewers wanting more. Now they are pushing the boundaries even further, bearing their hearts and souls in their highly anticipated film Tayo sa Wakas. Their tandem's filmography is enough to prove that they will continue to soar as actors in their bright future ahead. Let's dive into their phenomenal journey, Bel Mariano and Donnie Pangilinan, in this episode of Star Magic Spotlight. Oh, diba? Palapakan po natin ang Don Bell, Donnie Pangilinan, and Bel Mariano. Okay, so I was gonna say earlier that I've actually been present since the start of Don Bell. Yes, since He's Into Her. Grabe. I think I was in the premiere of He's Into Her, tama ba, or something. And I was like, oh my gosh, I love Don Bell. Like, grabe, I am such a fan. And I'm so happy that I was able to witness your growth as not only a love team, but as individuals as well. But siguro, I want to know, how are you guys so far? Last time I saw you guys, we were in Boracay. You guys launched the poster. And now the film, grabe yung overwhelming support of course, the Bubblies and all of your supporters. Kamusta naman so far?
Grabe. Alam mo, just watching the VTR nga, napapaisip mo, dami natin pinagdaanan. Parang binalik kami sa memory lane and now nasa journey tayo sa wakas. You know, sobrang grateful talaga. Just really grateful for the love and the support that we've been getting.
At syempre, gusto namin magpasalamat sa aming Star Magic family.
Yes!
From the very, very beginning. We wouldn't be here without you guys. Pamilya namin kayo. So, from the very beginning, nandiyan ang Star Magic. To the entire team, of course, the Direct Lauren, lahat po ng handlers namin, yung RMs namin. It's just an honor to represent as well, you know, this family. And we're very glad to be a part of it. But how are we? We're doing good, you know. Nag-show na yung movie last week. Nagustuhan niyo ba guys, yung movie natin? Ano yung favorite scene niyo? Sige nga. Hindi.
No spoilers, no spoilers.
Happy kami. We're very happy that we got to share this type of film. And we're very glad that a lot of the themes surrounding this film, syempre nakaka-relate yung, hindi lang yung generation na to, pero lahat ng generation, lahat ng tao, everyone going through relationships, lahat ng taong nagmahal at gustong magmahal.
Nagmahal at nasaktan.
At nasaktan.
Yes.
Grabe.
Did you like the film?
Yes, I loved it.
Really? Yeah.
Sorry, the last time I saw you guys was during the premiere night. Yes,
Yes.
hindi pala sa Boracay. Sorry,
Hindi
nakalimutan.
kasi syempre, ang dami na rin tao doon. So,
Oo.
hindi na tayo
Ang galing niyo.
Of course, di ba? Guys, grabe talaga. But of course, Donnie and Belle, I think, first of all, to those of you who haven't seen the movie, kinakita naman sa trailer, it's a whole different level for you guys of Don Bell. Parang sobrang new era new for you, very mature. How was it like filming this movie? And was it siguro hard to get into that dynamic, knowing that you're coming from the more rom-com side?
Well, for those nga na hindi pa nakita yung movie, which we saw naman yung trailer, ibang-iba talaga. I feel like this is a different version of Donnie and I. Much more mature, mas grown up na. Yes, sobrang challenging, but I love the experience. And you know, while doing Cheska and the whole Tayo sa Wakas, I learned so much. You know, my principles about love, my beliefs about love, or like in a relationship, it really evolved.
Yeah, tsaka sobrang open talaga kami. You know, I remember during our first projects, like He's Into Her, Love is Colorblind, we would talk about it parang, ay, hindi pa tayo ready sa ganyan. Or siguro wag muna natin ibigay yung ganyang emotion. Kasi, first of all, hindi naman required sa characters namin. Tsaka hindi naman talaga pinagdadaanan nila during that time, di ba? But this movie in particular, we wouldn't really have those questions. Yung tanong talaga namin is how far are we willing to go for this character? Emotionally, you know, in all aspects actually. So ito parang may agreement kami na ibigay talaga natin lahat dito. You know, this is also our love letter to our supporters, but not just our supporters, to everyone, you know, to the whole generation, sa lahat ng taong gustong ng hope and gustong magkaroon ng, you know, ganitong klaseng relasyon or learnings about how they want to enter a relationship in the future.
Yeah, and a lot's happening right now, syempre. I feel like this film is a good cry that we need. Those who want to release.
A good cry, a good breather.
Yes, a good breather siya.
Grabe. You know what? I've always, again, like what I said, I've been there from the start. Lahat super like, as in puppy love. Tapos ngayon, it's now more on heartbreak heavy side naman of things. But then seeing your guys' growth talaga, I think everyone is so proud of them. Tama guys, diba? We're also proud of Donnie's growth. Donnie and Belle. But of course, Donnie and Belle, I have to know, ito, siguro before we move on to our questions from our friends from the media, you guys had mature roles as a couple. Siguro, how about mature individual roles? Ready na ba kayo for mature genres, would you say, after this movie?
For me, I always say as long as the story is nice and as long as it sends out a good message, why not?
Yeah, agree. Kailangan kasing magpatunayan ng character niya na yun talaga yung kailangan niyang gawin. So I think mas yun yung inisip namin, hindi yung kung ready na ba kami or not. Siyempre, I mean, that still plays a part, but you really want to see the material and if it's worth it to do or not.
Yes, we're very excited for future Donnie and Belle. Grabe, pero of course, tayo sa wakas, out now guys! Diba? On cinemas. For those of you who haven't watched it yet, please do find the time to watch tayo sa wakas featuring Donnie Pangilinan and Belle Mariano. Okay, so like what I mentioned to you guys, syempre, ngayon naman, we have our friends from the media and they were able to submit their questions for you guys. So let's start things off with Manila Bulletin. Okay, this one's for the both of you. Since you've worked together many times, how has your on-screen chemistry evolved?
I think you have to watch the movie to find out, guys. Kasi, hindi naman namin masasabi yun. Yung audience yung yung makakasabi nun kasi sila yung nanonood eh. Kami bias kami, sabihin namin okay yung chemistry namin, pero kung hindi yun yung nagtatranslate sa screen, wala rin. So, dapat sila magsabi.
Panoorin yun.
Oo, panoorin yun na lang. Pero
pinanood
syempre,
na nung iba eh,
syempre
di ba?
talaga, of course, we've done project after project. So, there obviously is a depth to our chemistry, I would say, as compared to like, if we were just to work on this film for the first time. But that's where the fun is trying to find new ways of showing that chemistry, trying to be creative sa mga eksena, yung hindi masyadong pinag-iisipan, kusa na lang lalabas.
Yes, and hindi na kami natatakot. Diba? Siguro also comes with our experiences throughout the years. So, yeah, panoorin niyo po para kayo pong magsabi.
Gusto ko malaman. Siguro, kailan nawala yung ilang feeling during taping? Like, which project was it when you were like, okay, we're comfortable with each other?
Hindi ba? Easy to her. Day one, wala nang ilang. Meron pa naman.
Itong project na yun,
Ha?
doon nawala yung ilang. So,
Feeling ko sa Love is Colorblind.
Really?
Feeling ko. Yung Easy to her, feeling ko may konting ilang pa.
Okay.
Or papasok na. Mga last few taping days ng His Interge.
Pero season 1 yan.
Season 1.
Wow, okay. That's so cool kasi syempre naka-lock in din kayo, so you
That's
really
why.
have that bond.
And we shot that kasi in different timelines, naalala mo? 2019, 2020,
May
2021.
year din na ano.
So yes, tama ka, depending on when we shot it. Yung unang shoot namin may
Dun,
ilang.
yeah, awkward.
But because there was like a year in between.
Oo.
Di ba? Parang may 1 year in between
Yes.
the shoot.
We shot
You would
2019.
notice, iba yung itsura ko.
2021.
Kasi naglilift ako ng weights sa bahay during the pandemic. So pag...
May muscles.
Grabe, pagbalik niya, ha? Ano nangyari?
Okay, sabi ko, ba't parang kaya na itsura ko?
Yes, okay. So,
Yeah.
Nawala na yung ilang feeling, depende, or either love is colorblind or the end of he's into her. Oh my gosh, bongga. So, ibig sabihin dito, wala na talagang ilang. Very comfortable na sa tayo sa wakas. Yes, love it. Okay, thank you so much, Manila Bulletin. Next up, we have Kapamilya Vines. Okay, tayo sa wakas marks a meaningful chapter for the both of you. So, what emotions came up while filming, knowing it carries extra significance?
What emotions did not come up? I think lahat naranasan natin. Wow. Lahat talaga full spectrum eh. Kasi if you would notice, the movie does not revolve around one specific area of or time frame of our relationship. Pinagdadaanan kasi namin lahat eh. So it starts, like you mentioned, the puppy love, and then the getting to know stage, yung honeymoon stage. And then, you know, you're 2 years in, you're 3 years in, you kind of know each other's, ano ba, green flags, red flags, and all those things. And then 5 years, 6 years, 7 years. So parang, lahat kasi pinagdadaanan mo. So all the emotions you would feel in those years, I think.
Yes, and also throughout the 7 years. Ano ba naman nung 7 years na yun? Ang dami-dami, di ba? So talagang punong-puno siya ng emotion and feelings, yes.
All emotions were felt during the filming of Tayo sa Wakas, you would say. Siguro, what was the most prominent feeling that you guys felt while filming this film?
Maybe just the love. You know, you can really say how much, when you watch the film, or to those who watch the film, ramdam na ramdam mo yung pagmamahal ng dalawang characters sa isa't isa.
Unconditional love.
And I think that's why it hurts. Kaya din medyo masakit kasi alam mong mahal na mahal ng isa't isa. Mahal-mahal nila yung isa't isa. Pero, hindi ibig sabihin na matutupad yung mga pangarap nila together all the time, di ba? So you could still love someone but not be with them in that time. Or you could still love someone and let go. Ang hirap.
Or you can be on the same book but different pages.
And if it doesn't work out, it doesn't mean the love wasn't real too, di ba? It doesn't mean that it was just a feeling that you both thought you had. Hindi eh. Genuine talaga siya. So yun yung mahirap.
Grabe, kakastart lang na, June, masakit na. Diba? Love it. But then, again, diba? Sila affected na rin yung friends mo ng media natin. Huwag kayong umiyak kasi naiiyak na ako. But that's a very beautiful answer. I think it's just overall unconditional love, how to let go while loving still. I think it's very beautiful. Again, tayo sa wakas out now. And yes, maraming salamat, Kapamilya Vines. Grabe yun. Medyo na-affect ako dun sa sagot mo. What?
Sa tayo ba?
Yes, tara.
Kaya mga tawag naman.
Okay. Ngayon naman, from philstar.com. Okay. For the both of you, we have which part of your characters reflects or reflect where you guys are in life right now?
The career-driven Cheska. The passionate Cheska. The Cheska that dreams big. That I can relate to Cheska.
I think just the willingness to grow and just the willingness to step out of your comfort zone. Siguro yun. For the both of us. You know, we're so used to the box that we both created. But then, it's also healthy to step outside that box and look at the opportunities that can come your way if that happens. But at the same time, not forgetting that you can also support each other through it.
Career-driven and looking to grow for both characters. And they also want to know, we were talking about emotions earlier, what you guys were feeling. But ito naman, what emotions were hardest to film for you guys dito sa Tayo sa Wakas?
Ang hirap kasi nga, we want to show it differently this time. Even those like happy scenes, happy moments, we want to make it feel different for the viewers. Diba? So, parang hirap ng pumili ng isang scene. For me, the hardest one siguro just to, without spoiling.
Yung Confro?
Yeah, the pain na nararamdaman ni Cheska during the front row. Yes, maybe that.
I really enjoy the scenes. Yung may view. Hindi ko sabihin kung saan yan, pero may scenes kami na nasa bundok kami. At doon, marami din kaming shoot din. So, yun, yung mga eksena na nasa bundok kami. Because that's kind of part of the destination during the road trip. So you kind of imagine everything both characters have gone through. And then, syempre, nakaka-relate din kami ni Belinda kasi we think about our journey and then everything we've gone through. So I guess that's why it was also, for me, very emotional.
Grabe. Daming emotions talaga for tayo sa Wapas. I think we're all very excited again for everyone to watch it. Again, out now. Yes? Okay, diba kailangan natin i-promote yun? But, of course, mamaya na tayo sa heavy side of things. I think we wanna make things a little bit lighter naman now. Kaya philstar.com has more questions for you guys. Ito naman for Donnie. What's been taking up most of your mind lately outside of work?
Outside work?
Yes.
Meron ba? Kasi parang ito yung
Nag-relate ka
ginagawa
ba doon?
natin eh. Wow! What's with it? My dogs, yes, tama. Yeah, I posted them. That's the best thing I think I can go home to. Ay, hindi. Siyempre, family ko, yung dogs yung inuna. Siyempre, yung pamilya ko. Namiss ko rin naman kayo, guys. Pero, sorry yung aso kasi. Hindi nila naman alam yun how long you'll be gone di ba? Yung pamilya mo kasi, you can communicate with them. But the dogs, si Crinkle, si Kiwi, they'll just be waiting in the door. So, yung mga aso talaga. Ngayon, ano kayong nafe-feel nila, di ba? Nandito tayo, nandito lang sila, di ba?
Nasa na si tatay.
Oh, yung
ganun.
ganun. But it's really been this movie, we've been going around, we've been on tour as well, and grabe din yung suporta sa mga provinces, around the Philippines, and we're going abroad too, for this movie. So, yeah, it's been very exciting. We're just trying to, yes, we're working, but we're also trying to enjoy the moment and just be here and really make the most out of everything. Yeah.
Okay. So we learned yung mga aso ni Don. Sorry, Crinkle and
Crinkles and Kiwi.
Kiwi.
By the way, guys, is 16 years old. At pina-check namin sa vet last week, sabi niya, siya yung pinaka-healthy na 16-year-old na nakita niya ever. 16! Ano po yun? Times 5, times 12 ata, times 7
Di ba
ba?
7?
7, I think 7.
7.
Wow.
Sisipin nyo, 12? 7 ba?
Oo.
7? Anyway, hindi ko alam kung bakit ko sinishare to, pero ayun lang. Matanda na po siya, pero healthy pa rin. So,
Love it.
every time I go home, alam niya nandun ako for some reason. Kahit bulag siya, naaamoy
Nafe-feel
ako.
niya yung presence mo. I love it. Thank you for sharing, Donnie.